Hello everyone, my name is Amri Rahman and this will be my final project in CIS 9467 class. So in my final project I decided to do the final project on Excel solver that we learned in our class. So I will be applying the Excel solver in this my little investment portfolio that I created, and my main goal would be getting a target return on investment under the given scenario. So you see in my portfolio I have stock, municipal bond and corporate bond. Then I have stock price, municipal bond price and corporate bond price. Then I have number of shares, then I have dividend rate, interest rate, then I have tax rate. And the way I calculated return on investment here is simply applying multiplying the stock price by number of stock, and then applying the 20% dividend, and at the end applying the 20% tax rate. And similar method I used it here for the municipal bond and the corporate bond. And then at the end I calculated total return of investment. So I will be using the Excel solver to do it. So Excel solver, okay, so I have Excel solver here. So what I wanted to do is that I wanted to get a total return on investment here under the given scenario. So I wanted to value this $10,000, and I wanted to see here how many shares and municipal bond and corporate bond I need in order to calculate the $10,000 here. So let's set this value 10,000 here. Then I wanted to set a certain constraint, so the changing variable will be here, and the changing variable I wanted to set it here, which is this. Oops, my apologies. So this I wanted to send it. This I wanted to set it equal to integers. And then I wanted to add other constraint. So the constraint here I wanted to set the stock price at least $300. Then the other one I wanted to set the municipal price, which is at least $400. Then I wanted to the other one, which is corporate bond, which is at least $200. And then I wanted to set the constraint of dividend. So dividend here 20, I wanted to send it no more than 20%. Municipal bond no more than 30%. And then finally the corporate bond, I wanted to set it no more than 40%. So I have all the constraint to get this number here, $10,000. So I wanted to see if Excel solver give me that how many corporate shares, bonds and corporate bond I need in order to calculate the $10,000 here. So let's solve it to see if we can get the $10,000. As you see, within a matter of few seconds, the Excel is telling me that in order to calculate $10,000 here, I need 116 stock, 300 municipal bond and 400 and corporate bond. So you see, if I was calculating this manually, it would have taken probably, maybe few hours, even for some people even more. So as you see, Excel solver is very powerful tool that can give me this number $10,000. Now I wanted to see this from another point of view. As you see, tax rate, every year tax rate changes, and tax rate can be different here. Now here I have 20%, 15%, 10%, and that I need $10,000. to get this number of shares to get $10,000. Now I wanted to see in another formula, another portfolio here. I wanted to see what if my tax rate is different. So let's do it. So with the same way, and Excel will give me the number. Here I wanted to set this. I wanted to set this value also 10,000 to see how many I need under the different scenario. So here I wanted to set get $10,000, and then I wanted to set certain changing variable cell. Here I wanted to set this number again, integers. Okay. Now I set certain constraint. The constraint will be stock price, because I'm keeping the same number for the stock price. So stock price, I wanted to see $300 at least. Okay. Then I wanted to see the municipal bond price, which is at least $400. Then I wanted to get the municipal bond, which is at least $200. Now instead of seeing this dividend rate, I wanted to use the different tax rate here to see how many shares I need here, and shares and bond I need to get $10,000 here. So let's set the constraint. So this I wanted to send it no more than tax rate 20%, and then here no more than 15%. Then I wanted to see here no more than 25%. So I set all the constraint. Now let's see if Excel solver give me here $10,000 to see how many shares, municipal bond and corporate bond and I need. But remember this, I'm using now different tax scenario here. Let's solve it. You see, within a matter of few seconds, I got the $10,000. So Excel is telling me under this given scenario, but different tax rate, I need 20% of stock, I need 98 of stock, I need 188 municipal bond, and I need 272 corporate bond. Under this scenario, which is dividend is 20%, interest rate 30% on municipal bond, 40% on corporate bond, but the tax rate 20%, 15% and 25%, and now I got the $10,000 here. So you see Excel is very powerful tool to solve that. So you see I'm using the same way of doing it, but because I have different tax rate here, so I'm getting the different number. Now for example, I have stock 116 to make $10,000, but because of tax rate I need only 98 because the tax rate is different here. You see, tax rate is different. So I need this $10,000. Now municipal bond, before I needed 300. You see 300. Now I need only 300. So you see I need different one. For example, municipal bond tax rate before was 15%. I have here 15%, but I need 188 here because the tax rate here for the corporate bond is different. Corporate bond, for example, here I had 10%. Now I have corporate bond 25%. That's why I need different one. Even for the corporate bond here, before I need 401. Now I need, because of because of tax rate different, I need 272. So you see, you can use the Excel solver to very easily calculate this one, and in other business function and for individual reason, Excel solver can be used. Just one quick thing, for the municipal bond there is no tax rate, usually tax exempt, but for this final particular I used a number here. But usually municipal bond are tax exempt. So thank you so much for watching it.